Narcissistic relationships have 4 phases. The first stage is idealization. You're being showered with love and adoration. We call this love bombing. You fall in love, you relax, you let your guard down, and now that you're drawn in, they change it up. Now comes devaluation, manipulation, gaslighting. During this phase, it's common for victims to make excuses for their abuser. During this phase, you'll still see some tiny love bombs. You doubt yourself and your self-esteem has taken a hit. Now comes the discard stage. At this stage, the narcissist has taken everything from you. There's nothing left. And so, they don't need you anymore. You started to catch on. Their mask slipped, and you started to see. This is when the narcissist will discard you. The 4th and last stage is the Hoover. This is when the narcissist tries to suck you back into the relationship using breadcrumbs of love. They'll beg, cry, future fake, and guilt trip. If you're sucked back in, the cycle continues.